Welcome to Auto Care Plus in Londonderry, New Hampshire. Established in 2023, we are located on Route 102, right next to Domino's and Renegade's Pub. This is a newly renovated, state-of-the-art facility with 8 total bays. There's a 24/7 key drop available for all of our customers dropping off their vehicles after hours. We have a cozy waiting room serving complimentary refreshments, desks if you want to work while you wait, and free Wi-Fi. For those who need it, we also have complimentary loaner vehicles and shuttle rides. So let's take a look inside the shop. We are equipped with top-of-the-line equipment, including a Hunter alignment rack, a road force tire balancing machine, and more. We have ASE trained technicians and service advising staff. We are your one-stop shop. We can fix and maintain your vehicle to keep you on the road. We hope to see you soon.